Ar wythnos Ffermwyr Ifanc, licen ni wedi diolch o Waelod Calon i holl aelodau'r mudiad Ffermwyr Ifanc yng Ngheredigion ac ar draws Cymru am eich gwaith arwrol dros y 19 mis diwethaf yn cefnogi ein cymunedau am pobl mwyaf bregus ni. Chi wir wedi gwneud gwaniaeth i fod y gymaint o bobl mewn cyfnod mor heriol a thywyll. To celebrate Young Farmers Week, I wanted to say a huge thank you to all YFC members in Ceredigion and across Wales for their heroic effort over the past 18 months in supporting our communities and our most vulnerable people. You really have made a difference to the lives of so many people during what has been a very dark and challenging time. A fi'n gwybod bod I wedi bod yn gyfnod anodd tu hwnt I ffermwyr ac I glybiau hefyd. Ond mae'ch parodrwydd chi fynd mas a helpu eraill yn ystod y pandemig wedi dangos yn glir bod y gymuned amaethyddol, ein ffermwyr ifanc ni a'r clwb ffermwyr ifanc yn parhau I fod wrth galon y gymuned. I know that it's been a very difficult time for farmers and YFC clubs too, but your willingness to go out and help others during the pandemic has clearly shown that the agricultural community, our young farmers and the YFC remain at the heart of the community. Byddwn ni'n annog unrhyw berson ifanc I wneud fel nes I a manteisio ar y cyfle I fod yn rhan o'r mudiad arbennig hwn. Mudiad sy'n cael ei redeg gan y bobl ifanc ar gyfer y bobl ifanc. Ewch amdani. I would encourage any young person to do as I did and grasp the opportunity to become a member of this fantastic organisation that's run by young people for young people. What have you got to lose?